Hi, hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about radicals. And now, since the image is having some error, I'm going to go to hard copy. Here, it's just the same. Today we're going to talk about the parts of radical. Now, the number inside the radical is called radicand. And the exponent here is invisible man na. So of course, pangalan na is exponent, kabalo naman mo. And ang kani that is called radical sign. And since diba tawagan na square root, and ang square root is diba 2 man na siya, manang ko na sa 2, so na siya invisible 2 here, and that is called index. Yan, stop. Now we're going to solve if it is not a if the radical is not perfect square. If you've seen my last video, the other video, it's all about it's about the perfect square. It's somehow similar like this, pero I will still going to redo it so there will be a better understanding. So karon, if imo nakuha ang answer is square of 50, diba dili na siya square, perfect square. Ato siya i-break down. Yung factors, 50 times 1, 25 times 2, or 5 times 10, 7, no. Diyan na dayon, diba? Nya, sa iyang factors, mangita taog unsad? Mangita taog perfect square. Ang perfect square diri is which is 25. Unsam ang kuan na is square of 25 times square of 2. Pila mang square of 25, di ba? 5 times square of 2 is equals to 5 square of 2. Ano? Easy lang. Next is 27. Try na to 27. Square of 27. Diba dili na square, perfect square number, kay cube man na. Cube by 3, 3 times 3 times 3, 3, 9, 18, 27. But since square man ang atong radical, so again ato i-break down, ato i-kuha ng factor. 27 times 1, 2, 3, 9, 27, 9, o 3. Oh, since naa naman mo na ang iyang factors, ang iyang factors nga na perfect square is 9. So again, ana na pod na to, 9 times the square of 3. Pila mang square of 9? Diba 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9 times the square of 3, diba? Ay, the square root of 3 is wala. So ang answer is 3 square root of 3. Ana lang. Next part is we're going to change the radical form to exponential form. Every radical has an invisible exponent of 1 and an invisible index of 2. Diba? Tama, diba? So now we're going to kuan the example of 16. Sa tuingon, every radical has an invisible exponent of 1. and invisible of index of 2 kay square man siya. So di ba radical form to exponential form. Ato it himo og exponential form. First nimong ibuhat is ang radicand. Pila ang radicand? 16. Nya first nimo ibutang is pila ang exponent? 1. I-divide by pila ang index? 2. Oh. Pila man ang kuan? So muna ang kuan form. Since pwede pa siya ma-simplify, so it will be 4. Pero kabalo naman mo daan, ang answer is the square root of 16 is 4. So kana na answer. Kaya naka-exponential form ang gyapon siya since naman ang invincible 1 diri daan. Example, next example is square root of 3. Ato ay mag-exponential form. Again, unan na to ang radicand which is 3. Next, followed by the exponent as the numerator and the denominator as the index, bilang index 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 cube is 27. 27 ang final answer. Oh, again, lahi pa para magkasabot yun. 5, 15. The cube root of 5 raised to the power 15. Ato ay turn to exponential form. So itong una, radicand 5, exponent sunod 15, divide ang denominator, index, bilang index 3. Since pwede pa ma-simplify, so 15 divided by 3, pila? 5 raised to the power of 5 is 5 times